Some men will speak of a woman as an undying flame. Some men will speak of a woman as the sunshine after the rain. But when I think of a woman, my thoughts are hard to explain. I know that it's true when I say to you, a woman is like a train. Ooh, like a train. A train and a woman are two of a kind. You never know where they're going, and they're very seldom on time. Did you ever think of comparing them both with a full head of steam? They seem to keep going faster. Then you'll hear the whistle scream. A woman is like a train. It's a fact that you cannot hide. They can take you where you'd like to go, or they can take you for a ride. When you think you're going somewhere with this beauty that looks so streamlined, you may be told where to get off. Brother, this is the end of the line. Brother, this is the end of the line. Like a train, and a man is like a track. A woman can run right over a man and never, never look back. So you can say that a woman is like sunshine or a flame, but one thing that's for certain, a woman is like a train. Ooh, a woman's like a train.